Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Apple AirTag. I just picked this up for my suitcase for travel. I peeled off this little tab on the back here. I don't want to show you any of my barcodes, so that's why I'm not flipping it over. So this is what it's like. Let's see. I've been loving the Apple products. They come in this like really high quality paper packaging. Oh, here we go. So that's the front. And then it opens up and it tells you to update your iOS. And then there's the tag there and some more info. Follow on-screen instructions. So yeah, this is what it's like. It's just got a little bit of a plastic coating, but it's mostly paper. And honestly, I don't know at this point, this could be like a bioplastic or something. Let's see. Is that supposed to be like that? Yeah, I think so. I think I pulled this out. Oh, it made, did you hear that noise? Wow, I wasn't expecting that. So it made a little choo-choo choo-choo sound, and I think that means it's activated. So I'm going to work with my phone and set this up, and then this will live in my suitcase and I can keep track of where my stuff is if there's an emergency, if it gets lost. And it looks like a cute little button. This is just super lightweight and cool. So I'm going to set it up and then I'll do a review of what it's like. But I just couldn't be more excited. What a cool product.